Hello, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, from today onwards, I'm going to upload a video on a regular basis for mathematics and physics, and mathematics for class 6 to 10th and physics 8th, 9th, and 10th. So let's begin our today's video, and today's video will be basically for the 10th class. Okay, so today we are going to solve the problem on statistics. You might going to get a problem or a graph from this chapter. So today we are going to solve a problem. Finding the mean. Find the mean of the data. Here the data is given. The upper column is known as CI, class interval, and the lower one is known as FI, frequency. So for finding the mean, there are three methods. You can find a mean by three methods. The first method is direct method, and another one is assumed mean method, and the last one is step deviation method. Okay, we have three methods for finding the mean. The first one is direct method, and the formula for direct method is summation of fi xi by sigma fi, and the formula for assumed mean method is a plus of sigma summation of fi di by sigma fi, and the formula for step deviation method is a plus of summation of fi ui by sigma fi whole multiplied by h. Okay, so I'm going to teach you every three method how to solve the given problem. Okay, so now we are going to solve the given problem, above problem, with direct method. What are the values? Sigma, first is ci. What are the values of ci? The first one is 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, and the values of fi are 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, and 5. So we are going to solve this by direct method. We are going to solve this by direct method. The formula for direct method is summation of fi xi by sigma fi. The direct method consists of four columns. It consists of four columns. The first one is ci, the second one is fi, and the third one is xi. The third one is xi. Xi is also called as mid value. Xi is also called as mid value, and the formula for xi is upper boundary plus lower boundary divides by 2. Here these values are known as, this one is lower boundary and this one is upper boundary. Here upper boundary is 15 and lower boundary is 5. So 15 plus 5 divides by 2. 15 plus 5, 20 by 2. 2 ones, 2 tens, 20. The answer is 10. So the first mid value is 10. So the first mid value is 10. So now after calculating the first mid value, no need to calculate the whole by doing upper boundary plus lower boundary by 2. Just see the difference. Here the difference is 25 minus 15, 10. Here also 55 minus 45, 10. Here the difference is 10. So just add 10. Here the 10, the first xi is 10. So 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 40. 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 10, 60. Okay, now we got ci, fi, xi, and the last column is fi xi. Okay, now fi xi, just multiply this both and write 6 tens are 60, 11 twos are 22, this 0 as it is. Next is 21 threes are 63, this 0 as it is. Now 23 into 40, just multiply 23 into 4. 23 4s are 92, just write this 0 as it is. Now 14 into 50, just multiply 14 5s are 70. Now keep this 0 as it is. Now 5 6 are 30, this 0 as it is. Now just add this all, summation of sigma fi, summation of fi, just add this all. 6 plus 11 17, 17 plus 21 38, 38 plus 23, 38 plus 23, it will be 61, 61 plus 14 75, 75 plus 5 80. We got summation of fi. Now find out the summation of fi xi. Now add this all together here. 60, 220, 630, 920, 700, and the last one is 300. Here all these zeros, it keeps 0. 6 plus 2 8, plus 3 11, 11 plus 2 13, it will be 3, carry 1. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 7 25, 25 plus 3 28. What we got? 2813. So now calculate the mean. Mean is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So sigma fi xi is 2830 divides by 80. So cancel this both zeros. Zeros get cancel. What do we got? 283 divides by 8. Here now you can see that 8 is a even number and 283 is a odd number. You can't simplify this one directly, so we'll going to simplify this one by long method. Now 8 3s 24, 28 minus 24 will be 4. Get this 3 down, it is 43. 8 5s 40, 43 minus 40 will be 3. 3 won't comes in 8 table, so take a decimal point 0, it becomes 13. Again 8 3s 24, 30 minus 24 will be 6. We have already taken a decimal point, we can take a 0 here, it becomes 60. Now 8 7s 56, 60 minus 56 4. Now after getting 2 decimal point, you can stop the answer. The answer what we got is 35.37. Therefore our mean is 35.37. So now we are going to solve the problem by assume mean method. Here the assume mean method consists of 5 columns. So ci fi, and the second one will be, the third one will be the same as direct method, that is xi. So we have said, I have said you before, xi is nothing but mid value. Now again we are going to calculate the xi. The formula for xi is upper boundary plus lower boundary divides by 2. So here this one is known as upper boundary and this one is known as lower boundary. Again upper boundary means 15 plus 5 divides by 2. 15 plus 5 is 20 divides by 2. 2 ones, 2 tens, 20. The answer is here is 10. So we got 10. After calculating the first xi, similarly we will calculate the next xi. Here the difference is 35 minus 25 is 10. Here we can see 65 minus 55 is also 10. So we can clearly see the difference is of 10. So just add 10. 10 plus 10 will be 20. 20 plus 10 will be 30. 30 plus 10 will be 40. 40 plus 10 will be 50. 50 plus 10 will be 60. Now the next column, the fourth is known as di. Here we can calculate di by a formula xi minus a. Xi minus a. Here the a means we are going to assume a mean. We are going to assume a mean among xi. You can take any one whichever you wants to among the xi. try to take a middle one. So here I am going to consider 30 as a. Here I am going to consider 30 as a. Now here the di column, the formula is xi minus a, means xi is 10, a is 30, 10 minus 30, here 20 minus 30, here 30 minus 30, here the next is 40 minus 30, 50 minus 30, here it is 60 minus 30, 30 minus 30, 0, 40 minus 30, 10, 50 minus 30, 20, 60 minus 30, 30, 20 minus 30 is minus 10, 10 minus 30 is minus 20. Now we are going to calculate the last column. It is fi di, multiply fi with di. 6 into 20, here it is plus into minus, minus 26 are 120, plus into minus, minus 11 tens are 110, 21 into 0, 0, 23 tens are 230, 14 into 2, 28, this 0 as it is, 30 into 5, it will be 150. Okay, now add all this negative FIDI and add all this positive FIDI. 120 plus 110, it will be minus 230. Here add this all, 230 plus 280 plus 150. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 6. Carry 1, 2 plus 2, 4, plus 1, 5, plus 1, 6. What we got? 660. Now calculate sigma fi di. It is 660 minus 230. Subtract this 2. 660 minus 230. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 3, 3. 6 minus 2, 4. What do we got? 430. Now add this all together, sigma fi. Now 6 plus 11, 17, 17 plus 21, 38, 38 plus 23, 61, 61 plus 14, 75, 70 plus 5, 80. We have calculated all the values, all the columns. Now coming toward the main solving part, here we are going to calculate the mean. Here the formula for assume mean method is a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Here what we assume, a as 30 plus sigma fi di is 430 divides by sigma fi is 80. Now cancel these two zeros, this 0 get cancelled. We got 30 plus 43 divides by 8. Here 8 is an even number and 43 is odd number. We can't do any direct cancellation, so we are going to simplify it by division. Now 8 5s are 40, 43 minus 43, take a decimal point, 0, 30, 8 3s are 24, 30 minus 24, 6, we have taken a decimal point, we can take a 0 here, 60. Now 8 7s are 56, 60 minus 56 will be 4. We got 2 place value after decimal, so we can stop our simplification here. We got 30 plus 5.37. Now add this to 30 plus 5, 35.37. We got mean as 35.37. Here we have calculated the mean by direct method. We got the answer as 35.37, and here we have calculated the mean by assume mean method. Again we have got the answer as 35.37. By this we can say that whichever method we might be opting, we will get the same answer. For the next method, step deviation method, I am going to upload the video for it on the next day, so keep watching my YouTube channel. If you are new, so kindly subscribe the channel and share it with your friends and family members. Thank you.